Oh yes. Then let's go fishing.
What's up, guys? We out here today with my boy Uman and the kids. Told them they'd get out on the boat before they go back home. And today's the day. All got their life vests on. We got the skiff. We got Martine over here that we rent the boats from. He's about to net us some peanut bunker. And once we get those in the bucket, we're gonna do, basically we're only going out for like 3 hours. It's hot out here. We're gonna try to get the kids on some fish on the boat. So hopefully he gets some peanut butter for us. If not, I got gulp. We're gonna head out. So catch you guys in a minute and we start heading out. Right now we try to get this bait. Get these kids out here for a little bit. It is hot. Got their sunscreen on, got a cooler full of ice and food and drinks. So they should be good. But you know how it goes. Let's get it. Alright, we didn't even go far. Close. The boys in the water already. Leilani's about to get her rod now. This is their first time fluking on a boat. We only got a couple peanut bunker. We're gonna let them use that. While we use the, you're gonna use gulp. Which way are we drifting? This way? You gotta.
Is the first person going?
Carter, Katie, you gotta go on this side. Come, Leilani. All right, so look, you drop it, right? You open it till it hits the bottom.
Oh, that's the side.
All right, see, look, now see it stop. Now you close it and you hold it.
Is there gas space in this water? Yay. So I want to gas it.
All right, look, now you just hold it. Carter, hold your rod tight. You gotta hold it tight, all right? So they don't take it from you. When you're feeling pulling, you let me know. Huh? Drifting slow enough, I can use a 1 ounce, right? Get a 1 ounce on. Boom is too good for the gulp. You serious?
And it came off. It came off.
They might come back if you got the bait still. Guys, pick your rods up and drop it. You can probably hook the fish you just lost. Just lift, don't reel it in. Just lift it up and drop it back down.
Clean me. I think it was a sea rod.
Yeah. You might have had a bite. You gotta hook them.
Where's the cup at? I don't want to use all of it.
All right, drop it down.
So you just drop it down?
Yeah, stand up. You scared?
Yeah?
No.
Stand up. Is something biting?
Put it down right here. Let me see. Can we see?
Drop it straight down. You gotta come to this side too. So you're drifting this way.
Nah, just hold
You
it
don't want it
like
to go under the boat. Right there. Every now and then, just pick it up and drop it down. All right. Yeah, mama, you got one.
Oh, baby.
Reel them in. Go ahead, reel it in, mama. Hold. You gonna hold it? You got it? Go ahead, reel it in. Good job. I know, mama. Let me get my rod in. Go ahead, keep reeling. You're doing good. Come on, get him in. That look like a fluke too. Come on, you got it. Reel it in. Oh, that's it feels good. Yo, get the net. Get the net.
Don't worry. You just reel him up, bro.
Come on, mama. You want to keep going? Come on, keep going. Yo, just get the net, bro. Oh, oh, yo, what is this? Yo, and this little rod, that's OD. Dang, mama, you don't want to find him? Come on. Go ahead, keep reeling, keep reeling. It's a good one. I don't think it's a keeper, but on this rod, it just feels mad heavy. Oh, shoot, that's a keeper. Yo, Leilani.
Nice.
Yo.
Good catch, Leilani.
Let's
High
go. Let's go. Good job, mama. Let's go.
Look, now they're coming back here.
Let's go. We didn't even have to go nowhere. Peanut bunkers.
That's a really giant one.
Bro, that's your biggest fish you ever. That's the biggest fish you ever caught, mama.
I always got little fish.
Oh man, now you get to keep the fluke.
Right at the mouth, bro. We don't gotta go nowhere.
She always want to keep
But
the
how are
fluke.
we going to put it in the bucket? It's too big.
You never got to keep a fluke before. Let's go, mama. She's like, oh, I got something.
Yeah,
Yo,
cute.
I felt fire on that ride. I'm about to, when they leave, I'm using these rods for challenges. That's definitely a keeper. Let me measure him.
Good catch.
Mama, that look like it's gonna keep. Let me get him out the net. Hey, Umi, like, let me see. Yo, when he started pulling down, I'm like, yo, just get to the net.
Yeah,
But I couldn't be sure because that little tiny rod. Could have just felt like that. Hold this. I'll just put this back over there. I think I don't
Daddy,
even. It's more than a keeper, mama. You're good.
That's at least 20, bro.
0.
20.
20.
Right on the money.
20 inches. Let's go. Let's go, mama.
It's a keeper.
Uma's on.
Daddy, it's a keeper. Mine's right up there.
Boys, check your bait. What you got, Uma?
Make sure.
You need that?
Small fluke.
Small fluke.
Make sure you guys are.
Oh, what the? Weak fish. Baby weak fish.
Fish on the
They gotta be 16 inches though.
Cute.
Oh, this weak fish right? Yo, we might be lit. This right in this hole. All right, Leilani, let me get you down. Check your bait, boys.
Yo, look at his mouth.
Oh, what the heck is that?
That's his bladder came out of his mouth.
Yo, hurry up, get him back in.
What is a bladder?
Come on, man. Ooh. Hopefully he makes it.
Nah, he's swim.
Drop yours, kid.
Yo, you gonna throw a peanut?
For her.
All right.
You ain't got that many.
Where's the gulp at?
In my bag.
Something took mine, you know.
I got you, Carter. Hold on. Kaden, drop yours back down.
Damn, son,
I
but
need
you
to
should
chop
have
mine
some more
down
peanut
and
butter.
put it in it.
Bro, if we knew we didn't have to go that far, we could have got it loaded up on them. Why you reel it up like that? Drop it down some.
You want to throw that fish in the bucket?
Yeah. No, you got it. Yo, she got another one. Hook him. Here, reel it in. Reel it in. I'm looking at the tip of the rod go down. Get him, mama. She's like, I don't want to fish no more. Look at her. Let me loosen the drag some. Go ahead. Now you can fight him. Wait.
It's too heavy.
All right, hold the rod. Go ahead. Reel it in. I want you to reel it in. You're doing good. You guys are down?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, sorry, come on.
Uma's gonna give you another one.
Bring me a hook.
Come on, mama. Good job. Reel it in. Hold the rod on this side. Come in. Like that. Yeah. Hold your hand up here. That's easier now. Go ahead, reel it in.
Get down.
You're doing good. All right, stop. Sea Robin.
Sea robin.
Yep.
Now
Now you got a sea robin?
Yeah.
That fast?
As soon as you hit the bottom, I just
I got a sea robin.
Drop it down.
drop it down, Carter.
It's important.
Yo, why you not putting it through the lip?
Put it fly.
Good job,
How do you
mama.
think she caught the last fish? Was that how I hooked?
You good? You want to take a break? You want a sandwich? All right. Leilani's taking a break. She's like, I got my keeper. She's taking a break. The boys down there, every now and then, just lift it up. Drop back down. All right, drop back down. I got gulp on. How your arm hurt? You're not even jigging. You okay, mama? You want to look at your fish? No, you're not jigging. How your arm hurt?
That's Mike.
Because this is my
Did you hook him? Are you dragging the bottom? Pick it up. I just got hit. Something small. Oh, you got him? Get him.
There we go.
You got him?
See? And you
Oh.
There you go.
And he was
Oh.
complaining about how
Oh, wait.
how I
Keep
hooked
reeling.
your bait for you. See?
Go ahead. Chain and drag some. Go ahead.
Are you on bottom?
Ooh.
Oh.
Yeah, Carter, get him. Keep him this way, away from Caden's line. Reel him in. Good job, buddy.
I mean, you're going to need to get the net.
Yeah. Oh, yeah? You think so?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, get it up.
Oh.
He got the net right there. Come on.
Maybe it's the same. Oh, it's funny.
Just fighting hard, yeah?
Go.
Come on, get it up.
He's trying to.
Come on, keep reeling. Let him get it. Come on, buddy. Come on. That's why I loosen the drag, just so you don't pop the line. I mean, they got 15-pound braid on there, 20-pound leader. Come on. You gotta keep it tight. Let me tighten it a little bit.
I think it's a sea robin. What do you think?
I can't feel it. Hold it. You gotta hold it up like this. You gotta keep the rod up. All right, go ahead.
That's why I was holding it.
I'll tighten it a little bit. Go ahead. There you go. Now you feeling. Carter, he's not close yet. You gotta get him up. Oh.
Nah, it's not that big, but let's see.
Let's see. We'll measure it. Good job.
Ah! Got me wet.
Good job, buddy.
Maybe it's a girl.
He's on his line.
What? That's what? And it's also on Dan's line.
I'm gonna get a measurement on it. Yeah, I'm barely gonna get the fish.
And then get on it.
Check your bait, Kaden, after it gets off.
Why is it stuck up there?
I'm gonna get a measurement on it. It looks short. Let's see. 17 and a half. Go ahead.
Keep up.
Release your fish. Oh, you want a picture with it though? Yeah, throw him back. Pick him up and then take a picture. Pick it up.
Can you pick it up, please?
All right, look at me. All right, throw him back. Grab by there. Yeah, one.
He's slimy.
Look, grab my tail and underneath like that. Put your hand underneath. The tail. Get him back in the wood. Good job, buddy. High five. Let's go.
Yeah,
All right, Katie, your turn. Check your bait. Oh, you got him off? Check your bait.
I want to go in the water.
You're not going in the water.
Can I go to these?
As soon as I hit the bottom.
That's on the jig. That's on the.
Oh, the gulp. I'm not using the bunker. I'll leave it for them. There's not that much. Small.
Why is there so much
Sea robin.
Bro.
No skunk. You save it. Oh yeah, yeah.
You
Might as well
can
save
use
it.
that as bait too.
Yeah, I'm gonna save it.
Just seriously get.
I haven't got nothing either. So I mean, well, I got that one weak fish, but that is.
Carter, stop trying to touch the sea robin. I keep telling you they're gonna poke you. Pick it up every now and then, Kaden. Yeah, I hear peanut bunker.
Get the net, bro, just in case. The cat's net, bro.
Hold on, I got a fish. Yeah, they right there. They right there. The cat's net.
Tons of them.
Another sea robin. Oh, this is a bigger one. Y'all want to eat some sea robin?
I want to eat some
Yes,
sea robin.
I've never had. I actually haven't had one in a long time.
You had some the other day. I had the fish that I saved up for you.
You think I'll get
That's
with
what
that
that
net?
was?
Where's the net?
Oh.
We keep that. And that's over here. Hold on. You got it?
Yeah, it felt mad heavy for some reason.
Now it's small.
Now it's small.
I'm about to change my color. No net?
Nah. Oh.
It's a little fluke.
Yo, that shit felt so heavy.
You heard her? Oh, baby fluke.
Oh, you talking smack?
Hook got you?
He got even with me, yeah. Look, I didn't even hook him. Look, I got him inside this way. Look. Inside on.
Hey.
Maybe the other one is the mama.
Yo, you got the mama fluke, mama?
The mama. Hold your claw.
Change the color up. There's another sea robin. Yeah, water. God dang, son. I'm killing the sea robin.
See Robin God right here. He got it.
All right, all right. Oh, ow, ow, ow. You almost stabbed my leg. He stuck in my pants. All right, all right. We're gonna get some sea robins, at least get some big ones. All right, we're gonna make a move. Head it on down towards the bridge. See if we get these kids on some more fish. Let's get it. Need a net? Another little fluke. Bro, how they going for the gulp over the peanut bunker? Come on, lift your eyes up. Lift it up and drop it. Get their attention. All right, stop. You don't gotta keep doing it over and over. Just every now and then, lift it up.
Bro, when they hit it, it's like.
Yeah, I know. Is that a bite, Kaden?
Yes, I had a bite.
You had a bite, right?
Hit it.
Oh, you got him? There you go.
See, there's a fish. Had it. You got the fish, no?
You lost him? Yeah, I'm getting a bite too.
Drop right down.
Is your bait still there?
What if it's a catfish?
Flukey. Finally.
Catfish in this water.
Carter, what is up with you and catfish?
I want to catch the catfish.
We gotta go freshwater fishing.
Come on, it's southern boy. Look at all those birds going crazy over there.
Yep. When we was in PA, we used to catch a bunch of catfish.
And I miss trying to catch catfish.
Kaden, check your bait. You got a fish?
Really?
Reel it up a little bit.
Oh, that's a fish.
That's a fish, man. You don't feel it. That's gotta be a fluke, cause it wasn't. Yo, you sound like Mike. You did that, bro.
That's got a big head.
Yeah. Go ahead, keep reeling it up. Get it close to the boat first. Let me get Carter, hold the rod and reel it in. Stop doing that. You're gonna lose it. You gotta keep pressure on it. Just keep reeling.
Bro, the kid's not that strong to be doing it, so I'm gonna help him. Okay, don't.
Nah, they gotta learn how to do it. It's fine. You gotta hold the rod. He wanna pull it up and then reel it in.
Keep it like this. Keep it like
Letting the pressure off. Yeah, his fish still there. It's still there. Look at that. It's still there. Reel him in, Carter. Don't stop reeling.
I see it.
Let me see. Come here. No, stop reeling. Stop reeling. Stop reeling. Good job.
That could have been you catching this fish.
That's on the gulp. You jigged it up with the gulp. Hold this. Hold this. Good job, buddy. Let me got.
What'd you say?
You still got the big one, Leilani. Here, Kaden.
The big one's only for you?
Yeah. I don't like it.
Here, Kaden.
But the big one's coming for everybody.
That's too small. Just gotta go back. Oh, you almost bit me.
Dad, I think they have teeth.
Yeah, they got teeth. That was on the paddle tail. Nice, Carter. It's too short though.
Maybe use it as bait.
No, can't keep it. Good job.
We need fish for everyone.
Yeah, you gotta catch fish for everybody eat. So Leilani, you gotta get back in the water.
No.
Let's go. I got hit too. You hit the bottom. That was on the peanut butter?
Yeah, live.
I got hit on the goat. Yeah, he's barely hooked. Of course, that one comes up. Barely hooked. Woo, there you go. Spot. These two chilling. Carter's in the water. See if we get some more fish. Don't put it in the water. I just got hit. I just got hit too. Yeah, you're doing pretty good with the goat. You ain't gotta worry about the peanut butter. Dang, I missed him.
Oh!
You almost had it? Drop it back down some. You might still have your bait. See if he comes back.
That was fast.
That was fast, right? They keep hitting it. Oh, there you go. Get him, get him.
I got it.
Get him.
I might need a net.
Yo, every time you get a fish, you need a net. I knew I had just got hit too. You reeling it up kind of easy. You sure you need a net? Just keep it tight just like that. Don't pull up. Just reel it up.
It's fast to get to them over here.
Deeper spot. Ooh, Carter! Sea robin, stop. You had two bunker in there. You got sea robin.
I want to eat this sea robin.
Nah, it's too small. Alright, time to put a gulp on. I don't think it's any more. One more peanut bunker here. One more little one.
I want somebody else to eat it.
Huh?
My hand is tired.
Your hand's tired?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, you see? Did you see that? Yo. How the heck you not get hooked there? Yo, he was on it. What the heck was that? Yep, look. What is this? Small, whatever. It's probably a little sea bat. I mean, sea robin. All the way on the bottom.
There's so much fish. Oh my god.
Come on. Got him.
Oh.
Yo, she's an idiot. Why would she come that close? Yo, like, I'm put gulp on. They tearing up the gulp right here, yeah. Kaden, get in the water. Done? Done? Alright.
Daddy, did you say Kaden get in the water?
Meaning get his rod in the water. Look, they tearing the back of the gulp up.
Whose rod is this?
That's Carter's. Yo, as soon as you hit the bottom, just mad little fish. Now you gotta jig it harder.
Like this?
No, like how I'm doing. This is a bunch of little ones, but as soon as you hit the bottom, really. Look, you gotta go like this. Because this rod is light, so you gotta. We're gonna finish the trip where we started at. Come on. Feels like a fluke. Big sea robin. Big sea robin. Not even that big.
They'll probably splash you with that shit.
Oh yeah?
Look what Daddy caught Kaden. Baby one.
Add it to the meat. Dang, so he got me hyped. They on ice. Alright guys, done with this trip. About to get out of here. You guys have fun?
Yes.
Yes.
Caught the big fish, mama? No PB,
Can I jump
20
in the water?
inches. No, you can't jump in the water. Carter had fun. We're about to get out of here now. Get these kids home. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, the subscribe button. Catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace. Alright guys, we out of here.